Hello everyone, it's me, Teacher Amy. Welcome to my vlog. Uh, if you are watching right now, I'm sure you are looking for an online ESL job that could teach night shift and maybe audio classes. So I finally found an online teaching job that could fit to my schedule. By the way, I'm a mom, so I'm looking for a graveyard shift or night shift that I could teach on. Well, mostly kasi Chinese-based company or Japanese-based company. So usually their peak hours are 6 p.m. to 10 p.m., which is my baby sleeping time or tantrums time. So I cannot teach at that time. I am looking for an ESL job that I could teach between 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. So I found this company. Maybe you are familiar with the Glazing Elks. Yeah, it's Glazing Elks. So that's the company we will be talking about. So we will talk about the requirements, the rate, the application process. So here, so Glazing Elks is a Spain-based ESL company providing audio English classes to mostly adults. So they are accepting non-native speakers. Again, it's Spain-based, so we could teach night shift from the Philippines. Yeah, and here, so Glazing Elks audio class is hiring. We have different rating from morning and afternoon or evening. So 130 per hour in the morning, and in the afternoon or graveyard shift will be 150 per hour. Yes, so note Spain time is 6 hours late than Philippine time. Yeah, so this is their page if ever you want to visit this one, Glazing. And if ever you want to find this, just type Glazing Elks hiring. That is on Facebook. So let's go to, oh, by the way, requirements. So they accept non-native speakers. They don't require a degree or a teaching certificate as long as you are a little good in English and could teach adult with a 20 hours a week minimum. And yeah, the pay is low, maybe for the experienced teachers. All right, so let's go to the application process if you wish to apply on this company. So I just signed this one. I will attach this on the description below. Please check it. So this one, you will just click this and then you will fill up the form and then just wait maybe after a week, I guess. Yeah. But this one, I don't know. I just received it. I think I applied for a month and then I received this email. So I hope this email finds you well. We would like to invite you for an initial interview tomorrow. So yeah, I attended the initial interview, and then after 2 to 3 days, you will receive an email again. The subject will be set interview results. So yon, if you pass or fail. But fortunately, I passed. So there, they will send you a Skype ID for your demo, for the demo details. And yeah, you will message that maybe after 2 to 3 days again, yun, dun magre-reply yung Skype. I thought na it's not active, but nag-reply naman after 3 days. So, yeah, nung nag-reply na yung sa Skype, I had my demo at night. So, agad-agad, yeah. Night, it was an adult student. I don't know if it's a Filipino or a Spanish, pero yung accent niya parang Spanish. But when I asked the interviewer, when I had the interview, sabi niya naman may magkukunwaring Filipino. But I will share to you the demo since na-record naman. So, I will attach link again below. Please check description box. And after that one, they will message you again 2 to 3 days via Skype. So let's see, via Skype. So here. Oh, by the way, you will conduct the demo via Skype. So yun, via Skype, and you should show your headset. You should have noise canceling. So, the points for noise canceling because it's an audio class. And yeah, it's a video demonstration and video interview again. And then you will conduct it via Skype. So you will add the student there. And also, meron kayong mga kailangan i-practice, like sending the lesson via Google Drive, something like that. Yeah, but it's easy. So it's just easy. So next 2 to 3 days, you will receive a message from the Skype. So here, good day. Congratulations on passing the interview and demo class. Your orientation and training will be next Monday. So training will be 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. and orientation will be 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. So right now, hindi ko pa na-attendan yung orientation and training. It will be on Monday. So I will update you guys, and also I will update you about the students. Maybe let's see if there are many students that will booked, or maybe after a week, something like that. Yeah, so if you are interested with an online teaching job that is night shift, or you just want audio class, but it's not just night shift, you could also teach 2 p.m. onwards. Yes. So kaya nga may morning rate, which is 130 per hour. Yeah, you could apply on this company. So thank you so much for listening to me. I hope I helped you with that, with job hunting, online teaching jobs. Yeah. So goodbye. Please check the demonstration below. I will attach the link and also the application form. Thank you so much